Your hustle gotta be like clockwork. You grind and you eat. You grind and you sleep. The hustle not for the weak. Sometimes you gotta grind for a week. Turn them up, George. You gotta be dedicated to your hustle. I don't care you get tired. You gotta do it off the muscle. You gotta do it off the strength. Big dogs, we don't talk about it. We walk about it. And we ain't looking for no handout because we got the blueprint. Turn them up, George. Woo. Turn them up. We got the blueprint. We ain't looking for no handout. So turn them up. Yeah, that's right.